Assurance wireless phones provide essential connectivity but often face challenges. Common issues include app crashes, network connectivity problems, and battery degradation. App problems often result from older Android versions. Fix by force-stopping the app through settings, clearing cache, or reinstalling from Google Play Store. Network issues stem from weak signals or incorrect APN settings. Try toggling airplane mode, resetting network settings, or ensuring APN is set to VZ Winternet for Verizon. Battery problems occur within 1 to 2 years due to lithium-ion degradation. Extend life by enabling battery saver, limiting background apps, and avoiding extreme temperatures. For general troubleshooting, start with a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider a hard reset, also known as a factory reset. This will erase all data on your device, so back up important information first. Before proceeding, contact Assurance Wireless Support at 1-888-321-5880 for guidance. Hardware problems, such as cracked screens or faulty speakers, may require a warranty claim. Assurance Wireless covers repairs for up to 12 months after activation. Contact support to start the process and follow their guidelines for submitting your device. Looking ahead, Assurance Wireless is adopting sustainable devices with modular, user-replaceable components. This approach reduces electronic waste and addresses common battery issues by allowing easy part replacements. Software updates are becoming more reliable, with mandatory over-the-air security patches. These automatic updates help protect your device and improve app compatibility. AI integration is rising, with applications like Assurance's Fix-It app that can automate much of the troubleshooting process. These tools use machine learning to diagnose issues quickly and suggest solutions. Battery technology is advancing with graphene-based cells that could extend lifespan by 50%. Future Assurance models may feature these improvements to reduce degradation and charging times. Stay vigilant about cyber threats. Malware targeting low-income users is on the rise, often through infected apps or links. Ensure your device has built-in protections and only download applications from trusted sources like the Google Play Store.